All right, so here what I'm going to do is factory reset this. So we're going to go down to the settings, click on that. So next I've got to go to transfer or reset iPad. So I go here to erase all content and settings. Okay, so what it's telling me is that erasing will sign out of your Apple ID and remove your personal data so this iPad can be safely traded. Okay, well that's cool. Let's do that. All right, so let's continue. Erase iPad. I gotta do the passcode again. Okay, it's uploading data to iCloud. Oh, there we go. Now something's happening. I think we're gonna be good, I hope. See myself. Let's set her down here for a second. There it goes. All right, so we should be good, right? Here it comes. Jeez, oh Pete, this is taking forever. I'm gonna put it over here for now. I just want to tell you that I sped up a lot of this, and it did take a long time for it to reset itself. So you just got to set it down and let it do its thing. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Oh, we're there. Look at that. Ready to go. All right, so now I can go ahead and sell this or give this away to one of our family members.